Hello, welcome to English Vocabulary 101. Today, we are going to learn new vocabulary and everyday terms with a new short story. Our story for today is Visit to a Mall. You can also pause the video to learn and repeat vocabulary with me. So let's begin. It was a sunny Saturday morning, and I decided to visit the new Grand Plaza Mall. The sky was clear, and the gentle breeze made it a perfect day. I grabbed my keys, wallet, and phone, ready to explore the mall. When I got to the mall, I was amazed by how big and modern it looked. People of all ages were walking around, talking, and laughing. It felt lively and exciting. My first stop was the cafeteria. The smell of fresh coffee and baked goods was too good to resist. I ordered a cappuccino and a chocolate croissant. I found a cozy corner to sit and enjoy my breakfast. From my seat, I could see a beautiful fountain in the center of the atrium. Children were playing around it while their parents watched with smiles. After breakfast, I wandered into Fashion Avenue, where all the clothing stores were. I couldn't resist going into Urban Chic, a boutique known for its unique designs. I tried on a few outfits and finally bought a sleek, black dress that fit perfectly. Let's learn the vocabulary of the story you have covered. Gentle breeze. Definition: a soft and light wind. Example: the gentle breeze made the hot summer day feel more comfortable. Grab. Definition: took or seized suddenly or quickly. Example: she grabbed her coat and rushed out the door when she realized she was late. Explore. Definition: travel through an unfamiliar area in order to learn about it. Example: we decided to explore the city and discover new places to eat. Exciting. Definition: causing great enthusiasm and eagerness. Example: the roller coaster was the most exciting ride at the amusement park. Cafeteria. Definition: a place where people get food at a counter and carry it to a table to eat. Example: we had lunch in the school cafeteria. Cappuccino. Definition: a coffee drink consisting of espresso and a milk foam mixture. Example: she ordered a cappuccino and a muffin for breakfast. Croissant. Definition: a buttery, flaky, and crescent-shaped pastry. Example: I love having a croissant with my morning coffee. Cozy corner. Definition: a small, comfortable, and warm place or area. Example: she found a cozy corner in the cafe to read her book. Resist. Definition: withstand the action or effect of, refrain from doing something tempting. Example: I couldn't resist the smell of freshly baked cookies and had to buy some. Atrium. Definition: a large open space inside a building, often with a glass roof. Example: the hotel lobby features a large atrium with a glass roof. Wandered. Definition: walked or moved in a leisurely, casual, or aimless way. Example: after lunch, we wandered around the park, enjoying the nice weather. Sleek. Definition: smooth, glossy, and elegant in design. Example: the car's sleek design turned heads as it drove by. Next, I went to the Tech Hub, where they had all the latest gadgets. I spent some time at the Gizmo World store, looking at smart devices and cool electronics. The store had everything from drones to virtual reality headsets. I bought a pair of wireless earbuds. As I continued exploring, I found the entertainment zone. The sound of laughter and flashing lights of arcade games drew me in. I played a few rounds of air hockey and tried a dance-off game. I even won a small plush toy as a prize. Feeling hungry after all the activities, I headed to the food court. There were so many food options. I chose a plate of spicy Szechuan noodles from Dragon Delight. The food was delicious and gave me the energy I needed to keep exploring. I watched people as I ate, enjoying the diversity of the crowd. Let's learn the vocabulary of the story you have covered. Tech Hub. Definition: a place or environment that fosters technological development and innovation. Example: Silicon Valley is known as a global tech hub. Gadgets. Definition: small mechanical or electronic devices. Example: my kitchen is full of gadgets that make cooking easier. Smart devices. Definition: electronic devices that can connect to the internet and perform various functions. Example: our home is equipped with smart devices like a smart thermostat and smart lights. Drones. Definition: unmanned aerial vehicles controlled remotely. Example: the photographer used drones to capture aerial shots of the landscape. Headsets. Definition: devices worn on the head to listen to audio, often with a microphone attached. Example: she used headsets to listen to music and make phone calls while working. Wireless earbuds. Definition: small headphones that fit directly in the ears and connect to devices without wires. Example: he loves using his wireless earbuds during workouts. Entertainment zone. Definition: an area dedicated to recreational activities and amusements. Example: the mall's entertainment zone includes a movie theater and an arcade. Arcade games. Definition: coin-operated games typically found in public places like arcades. Example: we spent hours playing arcade games at the amusement park. Air hockey. Definition: a game where two players use paddles to hit a puck across a low-friction table. Example: we had a fun match of air hockey at the arcade. Dance-off game. Definition: a competitive game where players dance to win points. Example: she challenged her friends to a dance-off game at the arcade. Plush toy. Definition: a soft toy stuffed with fabric and filling, often resembling animals or characters. Example: she won a giant plush toy at the carnival. Food court. Definition: an area in a shopping center or mall where various food vendors are located. Example: we decided to meet at the food court for lunch. One of the best parts of my visit was the cinema. The latest blockbuster movie was showing, and I decided to watch it. The cinema had comfortable reclining seats and a great sound system. I sat in the middle of the theater for the best view. The movie was full of action, and for 2 hours, I was completely absorbed in the story. After the movie, I wanted to stretch my legs, so I explored more of the mall. I found an indoor garden, a peaceful oasis in the busy mall. The garden had lush greenery and colorful flowers. There were benches where people could sit and relax. Before leaving, I stopped at the bookstore. As an avid reader, I loved browsing the shelves. The store was quiet and smelled of new books. I picked up a couple of novels I had been wanting to read. The bookstore also had a cozy reading nook where I spent some time reading. As the sun began to set, I decided it was time to go home. Walking back to my car, I felt satisfied. The day had been full of fun, excitement, and a bit of shopping therapy. The visit to the Grand Plaza Mall was everything I hoped for and more. I couldn't wait to come back. Driving home, I thought about the day. The mall offered a perfect mix of relaxation and excitement. I realized that taking a day for myself was just what I needed to recharge. Back at home, I unpacked my purchases. I tried out the wireless earbuds and started reading my new books. As I settled into bed that night, I felt content. The visit to the Grand Plaza Mall had been a delightful escape from my daily routine. I fell asleep, already dreaming of my next visit and the new adventures it would bring. Let's learn the vocabulary of the story you have covered. Cinema. Definition: a theater where movies are shown. Example: we went to the cinema to watch the latest action movie. Blockbuster. Definition: a highly successful and popular film or book. Example: the new superhero movie is expected to be a summer blockbuster. Reclining seats. Definition: seats that can be adjusted to lean back for added comfort. Example: the reclining seats in the theater made the movie watching experience very comfortable. Absorbed in the story. Definition: deeply interested or involved in the narrative. Example: she was so absorbed in the story that she didn't notice the time passing. Peaceful oasis. Definition: a calm and tranquil place. Example: the library is a peaceful oasis for those looking to read or study. Avid. Definition: having or showing a keen interest in or enthusiasm for something. Example: he is an avid reader who finishes a book every week.